Guess the animal. I am too huge to be your pet. I have an extremely long trunk. And the only mammal that can't jump. What am I? I am an elephant. I wag my tail when I'm happy and run around in the park. If I am unhappy, then you might hear me bark. What am I? I am a dog. I like to use my long tongue to eat leaves from the tops of trees. I do not have to climb up though. With my long neck, it is a breeze. What am I? I am a giraffe. I have a mane that protects my neck when I'm on a fight. I roar so loud that shows my might. I am the king of the jungle, always with my group called Cry. What am I? I am a lion. I have humps that store fats and not water. I store water in my blood. I can survive without water and food for a very long time. I am known for as the ship of the desert by every mankind. What am I? I am a camel. I am the fastest land animal. I use my tail to control my steering and keep my balance. I am a big cat that cannot roar. I have a unique tail lines to help me see better the food that I hunt. What am I? I am a cheetah. I am the slowest mammal on land, but an excellent swimmer, moving 3 times faster in water than on land. Algae grows on my fur that helps me hide on trees from my predators. I love hanging on trees, but I go down once a week to poop to clean my gut. What am I? I am a sloth. I have 8 legs or tentacles. Each of its tentacles has a mini brain of its own to move somewhat on its own. What am I? I am an octopus.